Hi everyone. So earlier we talked about Golden Visa in one of our videos and I've come here with some more information. So Golden Visa, as we discussed, is a long-term residency जो UAE offer करता है. आपको बहुत आसानी से मिल सकता है. You just have to have an investment of 2 million dirhams in property over here. But वो 2 million dirham आपको इकट्ठे नहीं invest करने. You can have a property on 100% cash, full payment, or you can have the similar property on installment as well. So installment के ऊपर once you pay 20% installment and 4% Dubai Land Department registration fee, you can still apply for a golden visa. Once you have the golden visa, you can sponsor your family, immediate family, your family, wife, children, and you can sponsor your parents as well, or your parents-in-law also. On top of it, you have the liberty to actually sponsor 3 domestic staff, helpers, drivers, etc. if you want to bring them here as well. Golden visa has multiple benefits even beyond that also. ये बिल्कुल थोड़े से benefits हैं जो अभी I'm going to share with you guys. On top of it, I think Golden Visa ko Mazid, they have made it even stronger than before. It has gone beyond the long-term residency benefits as well. So some of the benefits, for example, UAE government ने अगर आपके कोई आप बाहर गए हुए हैं and then you have lost your passport or your residency cards, anything, visit visa, तो they will provide you 30 minutes के अंदर services और a return paper जिससे आप वापस आ सकते हैं. Secondly, there is a hotline which they have formed. उस hotline के ऊपर 24/7 consular services मौजूद हैं which you can utilize. Thirdly, if there is any emergency या कोई मसला हो जाता है while you are abroad traveling, they will provide you evacuation services in case of any disaster, force majeure. You will get that service. Last but not the least, I think that's God forbid, in case a UAE golden visa holder या जिसके पास residency है, they pass away while traveling abroad, they will provide the repatriation services to the family of that deceased person and also local burial support at the same time. So these are some of the benefits which you don't get anywhere else, and also at such a minor investment at the same time. Once you have that golden visa, you're sorted for the next 10 years, you, your family, your parents.